Hello everyone, this is Mike here and you are watching Techfoot reviews. Well, today's video is going to get really interesting because we are creating an NFT. NFTs are really popular and expensive these days, so I thought it should be a good idea to make a video of it and let you guys know how to create it. It's really simple and really easy process. It can be done in 5 minutes. So let's get started. So firstly, what NFT is, if you guys don't know, NFT is a non-fungible token. It's something like a digital certificate of your artwork or your asset. It could be an image, it could be a audio file, it could be a video, it could be anything, right? So the digital certificate of your asset is in fact called NFT, non-fungible token, right? That is stored on a secure blockchain, a secure network, and that is verifiable globally. So that's basically the NFT concept. All right, so let's get started. And to do the thing, we'll be needing a couple of stuff. So we'll be using OpenSea.io. That's the marketplace where we will be creating and selling the NFT. And first of all, we have to create a wallet, just in case if you don't have it. So MetaMask.io is the website. You go to the download section and download the browser extension. I'm using Firefox, so if you're using Chrome or Edge or Brave, you can choose any from here, or you can also choose iOS or Android. So I have installed the Firefox extension, and you can see the icon here. So when the extension is installed for the first time, it asks you to set up the password, which I have already set up. So I'll just log in. So this is how the wallet, MetaMask wallet looks like, right? You have the option to buy ETH and Ethereum, and maybe you can also send Ethereum from here to your other wallets, and you can also do swaps. And here is your wallet address that can be used to transfer funds to this wallet, because you will be needing some funds, maybe 0.1 ETH or something, roughly 100 to 200 to $250, depending upon the current gas fees. So you're needing some of the funds to create NFT, and that's for the first time only. So I'll log it out from here to give you a better idea how does it actually work. We'll now straight away jump into OpenSea. OpenSea is one of the largest NFT marketplace, and you can see all the artwork. There are so many things available for sale, right? Recently, high to low. Let's look at some of few. Okay, so some of these images are being sold for 5,000 Ethereums. That's quite high. So you see the painting and artworks. There are so many things, right? So if you want to put here any of your artwork, you can do that as well. So let's go to create. So the first thing that you need to do after creating the wallet is sign in, right? So let's sign in. And you will see a notification pop-up notification, asks you to give you some details that how it's going to sign in. So I'll sign in. All right, now I'm in the create page. You can create NFT of any of these extension. Let's say if you have a MP3 music, or if you have any JPEG or PNG or GIF, any of your artwork or any of your photos or anything, and you can also create NFT of your videos as well. So there are a couple of extensions that can be used. So what should I create? I'm using this website avatar generator just for a sample, just to create a sample image. So let's, so I have okay, so I've created a image. Let's say this is my artwork, and let's change some of the attributes. So this is the artwork or the image I have created, so-called artwork. All right, so what I'll do is I'll download it. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create NFT of this image that I have just created. I'm sure you would have better images and better artwork to sell, but that's just for testing. All right, so I have uploaded my artwork, and I'll give a name. All right, so that's the title of my artwork. I can use also external link just in case if you have this asset uploaded on your website, right? So you can do that as well. So I'll add a description. Let's just keep it short. One of my art pieces with unique style. That's it. Right. Okay. And then there are some of the properties that you can add if you like. For instance, character is male. So that makes it easy for other people to search. Let's say if they are searching the male characters, or they are searching with shirt colors, right? Or what else? Hat, right? So these are the properties that I have added to it, and let's ignore some of these settings, right? And there you go. And lastly, you have to choose the blockchain that will be used to mint this NFT. So we'll hit create. For the first time, it takes a few funds from your Meta wallet that is already connected. So probably it's gonna take roughly $200 to $250. So that's the first time. That's the fee that you have to pay to OpenSea.io. But later you create as many NFTs as you want, and you will be charged nothing, right? So NFT has been created, successfully created. It's owned by me, and you can see the properties and all the details. It's the token address and the contract address as well, right? So as you can see, the token has been uploaded to this uploaded to the blockchain, and it is verifiable, right? It is verifiable as well to the addresses. Okay, now it's time to sell. So I'll hit the sell button, and there are different options that you can choose. Either you can set a fixed price. Also, you can turn the privacy settings just in case if you want to make this public, and if this is something just for a private sale, right? But anyway, let's skip this option because I'll go with the highest bid. So let's say I want to sell this artwork starting from 0.18, right? or let's say 0.5 ETH, and expiration is 5 days, and I'll post it. So again, it will connect to the wallet, and it initialize the wallet, approve the token, and the only thing it asks is the confirmation. If I hit the sign in again, it will take a few seconds and it will be done. Now the item has been successfully listed to the marketplace for sale for 0.5 ETH, right? That's the minimum bid. So I can choose the highest bidder and give the item to him. All right. So it's available for sale if you want to buy it. It's up to you. All right. So this is how it works. All right. That's all for now. And before I leave, I would just like to give you some idea how expensive some of the NFTs are. So this is one of the most expensive NFTs sold, and its worth is $69 million, and it's a digital art. It's a art that has multiple tiny images in just one, right? And that was sold for $69 million. That's huge, right? And there are also some famous crypto punks, and this punk was sold for $7.8 million. You can't imagine how crazy this market is. And some of these images, and this is interesting one, World Wide Web source code. Sir Tim Berners-Lee stole his source code of World Wide Web, which he created back in 90s, or so he sold that in 2021, the source code of it, some portion probably, for $5.4 million. And yeah, Jack Dorsey, the founder of the CEO of Twitter, sold his first tweet in $2.9 million. So what it was just a screenshot of his tweet that he converted into NFT for sale, and put it in a marketplace for sale. So yeah, that's it guys. This is how it works. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, please leave them in comments, and good day.